Good morning. It is early in the morning. This is the day after completion of all the painting in the house. Royalty drove me crazy yesterday. So I got up this morning. I have been putting off going to the nail salon for a while. I don't even know why, but my husband is upstairs and I'm going now. I need to do my eyebrows, I need to do my feet, I need to get me some nails, and yeah, so that's what we're doing today, and I'm taking you with me. So I think first I need to start off with a coffee. Yeah. Listen, if you're a business owner, you have a beauty bar or a nail salon, hair salon, how you make people feel when they come through the door matters. It matters. And I think this is what businesses, like, especially in our community of Black people, need to understand. Like, a lot of businesses, it's like ghettofied. Drinking and smoking and just doing all types of foolery and fighting and drama and attitudes, and that's just not a good place of business. When you walk into somebody's business, you want to feel welcomed. You want to feel like your business matters, it's appreciated. If there's a problem, you can find a solution. Like, and that's why I go to the nail salon that I go to, because it's like they're always so welcoming, they're always so nice, they're always so kind. And if I don't like something, then they tell me. I mean, if I don't like something, they help me fix it. For some reason, I feel like my foot is swollen. I'm not too sure. Maybe I just gotta, because I got on these Tory Burch sandals, maybe I just gotta stretch them out a little bit more. Or stretch out the part that my toes go through. Because it almost feels like, I don't know, it feels a little tight. Okay. And yes, and I'm gonna go upstairs. Oh, also I got my eyebrows done. And oh boy, me and my eyebrows is a journey. Since Kay has not been at work and she left, it's so hard to trust somebody with my eyebrows. And she did somewhat of a good job, but it could have been better. At first she was just like, do you want me to clean them up? I'm like, I haven't had my eyebrows done in like 2 months. Don't clean them up. Like, do them, reshape them, everything. I said I want to arch. My eyebrows are thick enough to form a nice clean one. And this is how it looks. I feel like my arch could be deeper, but I'm not going to. Normally I make a fuss about it, but I'm not going to. So now that I dig, and by the way, I got them waxed. Normally I get threading. So now the next time I go do my eyebrows, I will go get them threaded. And she could just reshape them for me. Well, who I find. Because Oh boy. If I could do it myself, I would, but I don't know how. So, alright, I'll see you guys when I get upstairs. It's hot. You like my eyebrows?
Who them here and them character there?
It don't look bad, but.
The big foot.
And then I was looking for some lashes.
Some white dude, right?
Why does the lashes have to be like Snuffleupagus from Sesame Street? I don't even see natural no more. Guava juice?
Peel and pineapple and the cut him up. Put him in the fridge, make him simmer down, you know?
He's a lover boy.
And you are like him and the lover boy, right?
He's a lover boy.
Can we get
I can tell how he was with Little Mermaid.
Can we get in there and just glove up? I think you can just beat it and leave it, but him cuff up. Like a handcuff. Dude, then it's a laugh off him and I like, still can't get some. But I think then they are Italy, innit? I think he's supposed to see a visit with him son over Italy. Over there, the mother there shoot some show or some foolish like that.